Still stumbling in deploying AI tools overseas? Tencent Cloud EdgeOne Pages official version launched. EdgeOne Pages serves as a full-stack deployment platform, supporting globally popular frameworks like Next.js, with built-in SaaS templates and AI tool integration capabilities. Leveraging EdgeOne's more than 3,200 global edge nodes, it achieves low latency, access serverless operations, and platform-level protection, enabling AI tools to go from development to global commercialization quickly and at zero initial cost. Hello everyone, and welcome to the product demonstration segment of Tencent Cloud Unboxing Time. Next, I want to walk you through a real-world case. Creating a text-to-image SaaS tool for the global market. It will show you step-by-step how Pages simplifies the process and shortens the cycle. First, let's clarify the core components of this website. The first is the landing page, which features display capabilities and the user login system, clearly conveying the core value of the tool. The second is the integration of the core AI text-to-image functional module, enabling users to complete image generation operations within the website. The third is establishing a complete commercialization system, realizing monetization through a points plus payment model. Currently, Pages provides a SaaS starter website template that can basically meet all the above requirements. Next, we will use this template to enter actual operations. The whole process consists of 5 parts: preparation, landing page construction and login configuration, AI tool integration, payment integration, and finally, deployment launch. Now, let's begin. In order to make personalized modifications to the template, we need to clone the template code to local and install all development dependencies during the preparation phase. First, we can log in to the EdgeOne Pages independent site and find the SaaS starter template required for this time in the templates module. Then on the template page, we can view the demo and check the usage documentation for these templates within the demo. We can also enter the GitHub code repository for this template and then follow the quick start guide in the usage documentation to operate. Back in the GitHub repository, let's copy the clone link of this template. Then open the computer terminal and clone this template code to local. After cloning is complete, you can find this code under the local SaaS starter folder. At this time, we input cd SaaS starter to enter the project directory, then execute npm install to install dependencies. After the dependencies are successfully installed, let's start the local server now. The appearance of this link indicates a successful start. Now copy the link and open it in your browser. At this moment, the landing page content remains the template's default material. We need to modify this content to align with AI text-to-image tools to boost development efficiency. We can leverage AI assistants such as Cursor and CodeBuddy IDE to support our development efforts. Within the SaaS starter templates code, a cursor rules file has actually already been inserted. This file allows AI to understand the code context and specifications. Now import the SaaS starter template code into Cursor, and we can go modify the websites. Regarding the website style, we can modify the theme style directly through conversation in the Cursor editor. For example, in the chat box on the right, directly input our requirement. Change the main color tone of the project to pink. The AI will automatically learn our code files and make modifications according to the requirements. After the modification is complete, we refresh the preview page from earlier, and we can see the color has already changed. After changing the style and color, the next thing we need to do is modify the homepage description. This can also be done conversationally. For example, if we want to change the website name and banner description, we can then input our requirement. I will directly paste a pre-written one here. After waiting for a while, we can see that the content has been modified. Using the same method, we can customize all descriptions on the web page. After the landing page is configured, the next step is to configure the login system to store user information. This is the foundation for realizing commercial functions later. The core is using Supabase to quickly build the website user database. The integration of Supabase can be referenced in the integration guide within the Pages documentation. Selecting the Supabase integration for the database. And then we will follow the steps to operate. First, You need to register a Supabase account and create a new project. Click on the Supabase official website. Since I have already logged in using my GitHub account, I directly enter the dashboard. If you are a new user, you will need to create a project at this time. But because I have already done so, we will directly enter the project that has been created. In the leftmost navigation bar, select API Docs. After entering, it will default to Introduction. Click Connect at the top and choose the connection method. Follow the guide to connect. Here we select these two methods. And at this point, we have obtained the URL and key. After obtaining them, return to cursor, create a new .env.local file to store our environment variables. Copy the contents of env.example over and then fill in the URL and key just obtained into the Supabase environment variables. More parameters, such as the service role parameter, can return to the Supabase interface. In the left navigation bar, select Project Settings, then click API Keys. At this time, locate the service role secret key and copy it. Return to cursor and enter this key. Next, the SaaS starter template code has already created the service connection. We only need to perform data operations. There is a database init SQL file in the SaaS starter template, and we can copy all the content from this file. Then go back to Supabase. Click on the SQL editor. I have already run this beforehand, so we can now see in the table editor that all the necessary tables have been generated. With the database now configured, we can return to the website page and attempt to register to test whether the login configuration is successful. Arbitrarily input a username and email address. However, an error will occur at this time. This is mainly because our project will subsequently involve the integration of the Stripe payment system. So during registration, the Stripe key also needs to be configured first. Stripe integration can also be referenced in the integration guide selecting Payment Integration, Stripe Integration. We have just completed the Supabase platform activation and data initialization. Now we need to open the Stripe service. We go to the Stripe official website to complete registration. After registration, we can obtain an API key. I have already completed the registration here. We copy the private key, fill it into the .env.local file, and save it. No additional configuration is needed at this time. You can now return to the website to test if the login system is working. Let's register a new account. A login successful message will appear upon completion. Let's go back to the Supabase page for verification. Here, you can see the account with the username 888 that we entered previously. This proves that the email registration flow has run through.